going to another superstore, you know? Can't we just get stuff for your college dorm room at, you know, the antique shop, right? Get something, you know, that will last, some really nice pieces. A 6-pack of cups for $5, really, made out of plastic. Oh, that's glass, that's nice. What about, you know, some snacks for your late night study sessions? I mean, surely this place doesn't also have snacks. Oh, all right, okay. Well, I guess we can maybe hang around a little longer. What did you say the name of the store was again? IKEA? Biggest warehouse that has ever been. IKEA, IKEA, IKEA. Everything I might want in a single store. For me, an $8 pot with a lid. It's like Marshalls, but better. IKEA. His name is Billy. Billy Bookcase. Giant shelves to stock all of my knickknacks. Once I secure it to the wall for safety. And this blue bag. They also have clothes at IKEA. It's okay, honey. Don't worry. I'll always be your mom. I'm just never gonna leave the store again. Also, I'm gonna need you to leave now, so that I can have some alone time with IKEA. Where will you go? Well, college should be open now, right?